To modify, change, or add a strategy template to your catalog, you'll go down on your dashboard. You'll see you have a client section here as well as a My Strategy section. Let's say you want to update your current strategies. All you need to do is go into the strategy that you want to modify. It opens up, and then you can alter anything that you want here to make this more conforming to the way that you like it to be. For instance, I can go to the features section here, and because I don't do a lot of second mortgages, adjustable rates, buy downs, I'm not offering a lot of credits all the time, additional costs, and maybe I just want to turn all this other stuff off as well and just be left with a first mortgage and mortgage insurance, because those are some very common things we're using all the time. I can hit save here, and then you'll see that when you go into the loan section, instead of that long list of things you don't need, you just have what is going to be more appropriate for how you like to start your presentation. So anything that you change in here is going to effectively change what you have in your strategy. So let's go back to the dashboard, and it's not going to change the way it looks. But when you do use it in a strategy, let's say we're doing a strategy, we'll pull in the conventional, we'll add some criteria here, and then when we hit create, you'll see that because I made the update to get rid of everything that was in that long list, the template is now being used in a way that's more conforming to the way that you like it to be. Now, let's say you want to add a new strategy. What I would do is I would say, okay, let's go ahead and make this conventional 85%. I'm going to go ahead and leverage the conventional template. I'm going to do it as a purchase. I'm going to put a place marker here for the purchase price. You can even put in a very high number in terms of credit score, annual income, and just do no debt, so that it always allows you to run the best price on the mortgage insurance tool that we have. Let's put a rate there. Let's hit create. And as you will see, it's going to create it just like you were creating a client. But now what you want to do is go into the profile, go down to where it says strategy here, and instead of it being a client, you're going to change it to becoming a strategy. So let's go ahead and save there. And as you will see, when you go back to the dashboard, you're now going to have that 85% strategy there. So let's talk about how you delete a strategy. It's pretty simple. You just go to the strategy you want to delete, go into the client section here. Under the gear, you'll see the delete this client. So once you do that, you'll see that when you go down to the strategy here, and conventional, to find and save the refinance strategy into your own strategies, go ahead and type in refinance here. Pick a strategy that's in the Wisely location. Select the refinance strategy, then just put some mock numbers in here for the loan itself, so you can actually just set this up as a template. I'm just putting some random numbers in here and then hit create. And once you create this, you're going to switch it over from a client to a strategy by going into the profile here. And you follow this down to where it says strategy. Right now it's turned on as no. You would select yes and then hit save, and you will see that it is now a strategy, not a client. When you go out of your loan here, you would go to the dashboard, and if you go down into your strategies, you should now see the refinance strategy here in this location.